Bruno, he came from Sporting like Cristiano. He goes left, he goes right, he makes defenders look shite. He's a Portuguese magnifico. What a win. What a fucking win. Honestly, I did not expect it to be a win at all. You know, every single Man United fan, I'm sure, felt that either we were going to draw or lose. But seriously, what a fucking win. Maguire, I don't know what was wrong with him the previous games, but today he got one step closer to kind of redeeming himself. He used this forehead to good use, finally. Then after that, Bruno. His penalty streak is over, sadly. But he silenced the haters in one way. All those fucking idiots who were saying, oh, Bruno Fernandes, he only scores from penalties. Well, fuck you. Fuck you. Okay, he scored a goal, fantastic goal from open play today. So that's that. Quiet. And then, Wan-Bissaka, a Spider-Man. What a fucking goal. That keeper had been brilliant. Brilliant for the first half and majority of the second half. But that rocket, no one could save that rocket. That was going directly to the moon. What a fucking goal. And then after that, Rashford just putting the cherry on the icing. Just seals the deal. What a fucking win. What a fucking win. This win was really, really needed after the game that most everyone will most likely want to forget. And this game gave that. What a good Sunday. This is going to be a good Sunday now. 4 fucking goals. 4 fucking goals. At 1-0, when they scored from that Luke Shaw own goal, I did not expect us to equalize also. I thought, here we go again. You know, this was like Tottenham flashbacks I was getting. But luckily, Maguire came. We held possession most of the game. Though we got many chances, their keeper was, I don't know on what steroids he was, kept on making good saves. But the end thing is, in the span of, I don't know, 10 minutes, we have scored 3 goals. 3. What a way to fucking come back. This was really, really needed after last week's shambolic performance. Now next match, PSG, Champions League. It's not going to be easy. I mean, they are last year's finalists. They have Neymar, Mbappe, Icardi, Navas, Di Maria. I don't know what are we going to do, but we have beaten them last time in the UCL. We can do it again. With the right tactics, the right mindset, I believe we can once again beat them and quiet them. That Neymar's mouth is talking too much. Okay? So this is what's going to happen. We all have very difficult fixtures coming up. And we need to at least get really good results if we want to qualify for next year's UCL as well. Because winning this year's UCL is highly unlikely. That's considering all, I'm not very sure we'll even be past the round of 16. But let's see, it's football. Anything can happen. We really need to start competing really well. We can't let these 2 wins get to our head and be, oh, relaxed, oh, we'll qualify anyway. No, that's not going to happen. Everton and Liverpool are going to thrash us the next time we get them. And that's going to be very soon. We have Everton in a few more games. Let's see what happens. I'm fairly optimistic. Another thing was, Ole, does Donny have to suck your dick now to come into the starting 11? Is that what you want? Why aren't you playing him? Did you get him to just warm the benches? You want to bake buns over there on that hot bench then? Why did you get him? If you're not going to play him, why are you getting him? You're substituting Pogba instead of Donny. You're giving him 10 minutes of play, man. What do you expect him to do? You want a player to perform well, you have to give him at least 30 minutes. You want him to show as his Jalwa in 10 minutes? You expect results? In a game where we were chasing, where we need a win, you're substituting Paul Pogba, whose form is like literally shit these days. It's hopeless. Ole, you really, really need to change your mindset. Your tactics are hopeless. Your mindset at least needs to change. We need to win games. Drawing and all is not enough. Wasn't last week's result enough for you? You were lucky you didn't get sacked. The irony is, even sacking you won't solve anything. The problem might be solved like 25%. The remaining 75 is still in doubt.